Here's how to activate Windows 11. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First, you will need to go to your search bar here. Then you have to search for the activation settings and then click on the open button to open the settings. Now wait for the few seconds to load the process, and when it's done, it will take you to this page. Upgrading to Windows 11 from Windows 10 or Windows 10 Pro is very easy. To upgrade, you have to click on the change product key option, and once you click on it, now here you have to enter your product key. This key comes along with the Windows DVD or USB drive. After entering your product key, now you have to click on the next button, and once you click on the next button, it will send you a verification code. Then you have to click on the apply button after entering your verification code. After that, your Windows 11 will be activated. So this is how you can activate your Windows 11.